Question number 1. Which forest type covers the largest area in India? Answer is B. Tropical moist deciduous. Question number 2. The first national park to be established in India was. Answer is C. Jim Corbett. Question number 3. Which of the following is a Ramsar wetland site and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in India? Answer is A. Keoladeo National Park. Question number 4. Name the most dominant tree species in Indian tropical deciduous forests. Answer is A. Teak. Question number 5. The largest mangrove forest system in India is. Answer is C. Sundarbans. Question number 6. The sorrow of Bihar refers to which Indian rivers? Answer is B. Kosi. Question number 7. Silent Valley National Park is famous for the conservation of which endemic species? Answer is A. Lion-tailed macaque. Question number 8. Chipko movement originated in which part of India? Answer is B. Gharwal. Question number 9. Which Indian state is the first to be certified fully organic? Answer is B. Sikkim. Question number 10. The Indian city with the maximum number of Ramsar wetlands is. Answer is B. Bhopal. Question number 11. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve spreads across which states? Answer is A. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Question number 12. The Project Tiger was launched in which year in India? Answer is A. 1973. Question number 13. Which zone in India is known as the paradise of Indian biodiversity? Answer is C. Northeast India. Question number 14. The Biosphere Reserve famous for red sanders trees is. Answer is B. Sheshachalam. Question number 15. The richest coral biodiversity in Indian waters is found in. Answer is D. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Question number 16. The only floating national park in the world, Kiabul Lamjau, is found on which lake? Answer is A. Loktak. Question number 17. Which Indian city is often called City of Lakes and known for urban wetland conservation? Answer is B. Bhopal. Question number 18. Kaziranga National Park is best known for conserving which animal? Answer is B. One horned rhinoceros. Question number 19. Jaldapara National Park in West Bengal is famous for which animal? Answer is C. Indian rhinoceros. Question number 20. The only ape found in India, Hulock gibbon, is found mainly in. Answer is B. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Question number 21. The main threat to the Gangetic River dolphin is. Answer is D. All of the above. Question number 22. The Western Ghats are recognized in the IUCN Red List as a. A. Biodiversity hotspot. Question number 23. Which sanctuary is famous as the only habitat of Asiatic lions in the wild? Answer is Gir. Question number 24. The largest brackish water lagoon in India is. Answer is B. Chilika Lake. Question number 25. Operation Flood was implemented in India for which resource? Answer is B. Milk. Question number 26. The gharial, a critically endangered crocodilian, is mainly found in which Indian river system? Answer is C. Ganga. Question number 27. Sacred groves are best described as. Answer is B. Biodiversity rich forest patches protected by local communities. Question number 28. The Dihing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in. Answer is B. Assam. Question number 29. A hot spot of medicinal plants in Indian subcontinent is. Answer is A. Nilgiris. Question number 30. Project Elephant was launched by the Government of India in the year. Answer is B. 1992. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.